Hello and welcome to a presentation about Tampere Bus Explorer. Tampere Bus Explorer is an application for Windows phones and it is especially designed for people in Tampere who are using the buses on daily basis. Using Tampere Bus Explorer, the users can see their nearest bus stops and their schedules, and also they can see that when the next buses are leaving from there. They can also check the buses routes, and they can also check the buses schedules and all of these kind of information. Tampere Bus Explorer is location sensitive, so many of the features are location dependent. And Tampere Bus Explorer's features doesn't work properly when you are outside of Tampere, because of course nearby bus stops or nearby buses, the application will not be able to find you if you are outside Tampere. So let me show you now different features of Tampere Bus Explorer in detail. So let's start the application, and here we launch the Tampere Bus Explorer application. And now you can see here that the buses are shown in real time, and if you zoom in you can see these round symbols for the buses, and the bus number is shown there, and the direction of the bus with the arrow is shown there. On the top right corner of this main screen is the current time you can see, and also there are the zoom in and zoom out buttons. Of course you can zoom in and out using the two fingers as usual in the maps applications. We can also press this home button to go to the home location. So this our home location is shown with this symbol here. We can anytime press any bus symbol and we can see the schedule of that bus. Now let me show you the other important features of this application. So which buses are shown right now on the map, we can choose from this setting here. There are two settings here. One is for the multiple buses, another one is for the single buses. So single line, in single line mode you see only one line number buses. For example, if I choose 13 number, so now only 13 number buses are shown on the map, and which is quite often the case with us, that we just want to catch only one bus there. And then you can see the multiple lines here. You can either manually choose the multiple lines, or you can just press the nearby buses. So now all of our current locations nearby buses are selected, and since we are quite near to city center, a lot of buses are now visible on the map. Now let's go to the details features of the application. When you press this schedule button and the buses are visible on the map, so then it takes you to this buses detailed information page, and here there is all the buses currently on the map are visible here, and you can show more buses by pressing this button, and now all of the buses which are even not running at the moment in Tampere are shown. So you can see more information about any bus. For example, if I press this 22, so then the 22 numbers schedule is shown, and then the next page there are the nearest bus stops. For example, now this Takoyankatu bus stop is only 245 meters away from me, and these bus stops are actually ordered how much near to you they are. You can also change the direction from here. For example, now it is Punikintori to Annala, and now it's going from Annala to Punikintori, and then you can see the relevant nearby bus stops. If you press, for example, your nearest bus stops, you can see the virtual monitor of your nearby bus stop. So you can exactly see that this 22 number is going in 11 minutes from this bus stop. And also you can see the bus stop schedule now. Here is the bus stop schedule and the bus stop on the map. So you can see your own location and the bus stop on the map, so you can know that how you will reach there. And now in this bus information page, the next page is about the route map of this 22 number bus. So you can see that now the route map of this 22 number bus. You can also change the direction of this route map. And another important information about the application is that it has a database where it stores all the information, so it tries to minimize the network traffic. So next time you get trying to get the same information and it's not so old, so then it will just get you from the local database. So these were the buses detailed information pivot pages. And now if you go back to the main page again, and I can show you now the bus stops, that how you can see the bus stops on the map. So for example, you just press this bus stop button and now all the bus stops near to the map are now visible. And you can long press either for any stop and see the virtual monitor of that bus stop. So the next departures are here, and then the bus stops schedule is there, and then the bus stop on the map you can see. So you can see this details about all of the bus stops which are shown currently on the map. Also, in any part of map you can see the bus stop. It doesn't matter whether they are away from you or near from you. So for example, now you can see again, and if you zoom in, those bus stops will get bigger, and you can just press there to see the virtual monitor of that bus stop. Of course, you can see the nearby bus stop by pressing this button, so only the nearby bus stops now will be visible to you. And of course, then you can choose to see the details of those bus stops. Other options in this application are, for example, the settings, and here you can select whether you would like to see one single line or multiple lines. And here you can see that whether the lines you have chosen in the line settings, whether they should be remembered on application exit or now, and similarly whether you would like to see the zoom buttons or not, whether you would like to remember the map view on application exit, so that application will start always with the same view, and then whether you would like to use your location information. And of course, if you don't use your location information, so many important features of the application will not work. As I told you before, that application is location sensitive. And of course, there are this about and here is some information about the developers and the data source list to Tampere Bus. And here is also the manual you can see here, and so if the users are not sure about some functions of the application, they can always come here. And of course, the disclaimer is here. So these were all about the this Tampere Bus Explorer application. So let me show you again a very usual use case. For example, if I'm here now in Samonkatu and I would like to catch, for example, bus number 17 from my nearby bus stop. So what I do, I go here, I press 17 number, and then I will go to the nearby bus stops, and then I will choose the direction, in which direction I would like to go. For example, I would like to go to Puni-Kintori direction, and then this is the nearest bus stops to me. The first one is always. Then I will just go to the monitor, and then I will see, okay, the 17 number is leaving in 2 minutes from this bus stop, and the next will be in 12:20. So this is the some of the most usual use cases we face every day when we use the public transport. So that's about this Tampere Bus Explorer application, and I'm hopeful that you like this application, and thank you for your time.